咪咪，这个小尾巴，哎呦呦呦呦呦呦呦呦呦呦呦呦呦呦呦呦呦呦呦！疼不疼？疼不疼？吃饭了。
咪咪，可以帮我找个快递吗？
这是正常的爪子，你看这都是肿起来的。
And I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue sky, and all that I can see is just a yellow lemon tree. I'm turning my head, turning around, and all that I can see is just another lemon tree. I'm sitting here, I'd like to go out, taking a flight, but there's a heavy cloud inside my head. I feel so tired, put myself into bed where nothing ever happens, and I wonder. Isolation is not good for me. Isolation, I don't want to sit on the lemon tree. I'm stepping around in the desert of joy. Maybe anyhow I'll get another toy, and everything will happen, and you wonder. I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue sky, and all that I can see is just another lemon